Welcome back. We are exploring career pathways, quality standards, and what San Diegans should know before handing over their keys to a mechanic. Our team trusts the team at West Automotive Group. Brian, West Automotive Group has quite the reputation in town. You're known for your excellent service and, of course, your team. Let's just kind of think back to when you first began. How has the industry changed? Because you've been around for a while.
Yeah, a long time. It's coming up on 33 years, actually.
Gosh, yeah.
Yeah, boy, that kind of ages me. I probably shouldn't say that, huh?
You look great.
Thanks. Yeah, the industry has changed a lot. And actually, if you pay attention to the media, everybody knows Mike Rowe. He's been talking a lot about this, how all the trades have kind of suffered. We spent quite a bit of time pushing all of our high school graduates to go to college. And there's so many great jobs in the trades that has ended up as a shortage now because of that whole scenario we went through. So right now we're doing a big push, get folks, hey, you can make a really great income in this industry, whether you're working as a service consultant, a manager, a parts manager, a technician, and it's a very fulfilling job. You get to fix things, get things done with your hands, and when these guys go home at night, they're super happy. Hey, I fixed something that most people can't fix, or what the client was super happy when they picked up their car. So we're headed back in the direction to get more folks into the industry.
I know, and it truly is crazy. I mean, I know so many families whose kids are graduating college right now and they can't find a job. So I mean, this is like instant work available to people that want to use their hands and want to perform a great skill and service for our community. What does the hiring process look like? If somebody were to come to you and say, I want to learn from you, or I have the skills that you need, what does that process look like?
We do some of those as far as it goes. And there's several schools here in San Diego we can also send these kids to, as far as, or they can go on their own. Southwest College, Miramar College, they all have automotive programs, and they're pretty good programs. Some of them are more manufacturer trained towards, but regardless, you get all the principles, and we can get these folks in and get them to work as far as that goes. Usually we'll bring them in as an apprentice. They work under a master technician, therefore he's responsible for the master technician keeping an eye on everything that happens. Obviously we want to make sure things are done right, and they learn the right way to do things. And then the going to school part, and it all works out really well. We've trained several guys that are with us now as actually they started as an apprenticeship, now they're journeyman technicians and doing a great job.
Who's a good candidate? I would assume somebody who likes to work with their hands, or somebody who likes to see tangible results, but what other qualities are you looking for in your candidates?
Well, it depends on the position. As a technician though, for sure, if you have a kid that took everything apart and put it back together as a teenager or a young guy, he's probably well adapted to be a technician or a plumber or something in the trades as far as that goes, and could go a very long way and do a great job at it. If you have a child that's a great customer service person, and when I say that, obviously he didn't work as customer service, but a child that basically talks to people, has a great personality and all that, then he may have a great spot as far as being a service consultant or a manager or things like that. There's so many different opportunities in the automotive field.
I know we had two of your talented employees walk in right now, hard at work there.
Yes, they are.
I mean, you have such a great staff, and this is a conversation for another day, but in general, how do you describe your staff? Because they are so welcoming and kind and knowledgeable.
So we've worked really hard to put together some really good teams, and I call them teams at each location because basically that's how they operate for each location. We have amazing people that work for us. I'm blessed. That's one of the things I tell people all the time. They're always, you built a great business. I couldn't have done it without these folks. So what we've been doing is just looking for the most well-trained, best people to put in place that take care of clients like I would, like family. And that's how we ended up with the West Automotive Group.
I know, and it comes up every time I talk to you, but I just want to stress for people that there are locations all throughout the county. So no matter where you live, you're probably in a good driving distance to one of these future jobs.
Absolutely, and we picked it. So we have East County out in El Cajon, Central San Diego, Kearney Mesa, and Balboa. We're at UTC Miramar right now, which is a great spot. Oceanside, which is North County on the coast, and of course Escondido, which is North County inland.
All right, well, we hope to see your team continue to grow.
Thank you so much. Thanks for being here.
This segment is sponsored by West Automotive Group.